Good morning, this is your friend Sameer Mahajan from Rockstar. Today is my day one tour in Leh Ladakh. So I'm on my city tour today. So I'm going to cover a lot of places today. So first of all, we'll be going to the north, that is uh, Hemis Temple, then Thiksay Monastery, then Shade Palace, then Shea, that village, then Ranchor Das School, Sindhu River, then Hall of Fame, then Kalima Temple, Pathar Sahib, Magnetic Hills, Sangam, where two rivers joins at one time, Shanti Stupa, and Leh Palace. So I hope you would enjoy the video. Thank you. Stay tuned. Leh Market, the Leh main bazaar, and I'm finding a taxi for me. That's a taxi stand. So I have to find a taxi for my day tours in and around the city, Leh Ladakh. Tenjin? Hi, this is my guide of the day. Tour with this guy. A taxi tour, full day. Leh Ladakh tour. Okay. So here I found my taxi, Tenjin. So I'm heading to my first point of the tour, that is Hemis Monastery. I'll keep on updating you. Bye. Friend Sameer Mahajan, this is Ladakh Themis Monastery, and here monks are practicing their traditional dance, and these are prayer bells. Themis Monastery, Ladakh. Bye bye. Hi, now we are in a Shea Palace. Shea Palace behind me over here. Here, Shea Palace in Ladakh. It's a very beautiful view over here. You can see the snow mountains over there, and this is the way. There is the market downstairs, and that's the Shea Palace behind me. I'll take you to the Shea Palace. That's the view. Wow, it's a great view. See, way to Shea Palace. I'm climbing the stairs actually. Yeah, I'm a little close to Shea Palace here. We need to climb the stairs, and this is the view. Whoa. Till there I have to walk by stairs. Alright, bye bye, Shea Palace. Thank you. This is Sameer back again. I'm the top of Shea Palace. ये तो खंडर बन चुका मगर the view is really great. You can see the view behind me. Only one foreigner like me जिसने ऊपर तक चढ़ने की हिम्मत दिखाई. This is on the top. It's amazing. Shea Palace, Leh. We are here now at Magnetic Hill Point, and this is in Leh, outside Leh. That's a Magnetic Hill, the biggest, the black one. Why it is Magnetic Hill Road is because यहाँ पे बोला जाता है कि यहाँ पे न्यूट्रल पे गाड़ियाँ खड़ी करो और ऑटोमेटिकली वो पीछे की तरफ खिंच जाती हैं. That's a Magnetic Hill area. That's a Magnet Hill Sports, the scooters on the sand dunes. So that's called Magnetic Hill. As I told you, whenever you come over here, you keep your car on a neutral and stand on the middle of the road. Your car will automatically drag towards backside, towards that Magnetic Hill. So that's saying over here. Thank you. Hi, now we are at Hall of Fame, Leh Ladakh. It's a big museum about the history of Leh Ladakh, the beginning of the word Leh, the initial days of Leh Ladakh, and the initial timings of military base over here. So it's going to be a fun over here. So here you can see Hall of Fame entry gate, the Buddhaji and the Hall of Fame gate. A lot of tanks are here. So here's the view inside the Hall of Fame. The history of Indian Army. You can see different flags, different countries. So it's basically a museum. A lot of guns over here. It's a dome tent. This is about how to do hiking. The rifles. So it's mountaineering. Rifles. Behind me, the details of Indo-Pak War 1947, the gallery. So that's all for Hall of Fame. Bye. That's a view of city, Leh Palace. And that's the view behind me, the Leh city. Awesome. The weather is really cool right now. So this is the Leh Palace. I have to go up. I'm going to the corner of that light. That's a corner window of Leh Palace, Leh city. Let's see what we can see from the door, from the window. Woo! The Leh city. The Leh city. Yes, the Leh city. Hi. I'm feeling on the top because I am on the top of the Kali temple. Here you can see the Kali temple, and the main temple is over here, the Kali temple, and outside Leh Ladakh. Beautiful view over here. You can see the scenic beauty of Leh Ladakh. Bye. So here we are on the top of Kali temple, and as you know, I love kids. And I have everything because of the kids only in my life. तो आज मुझे कुछ बच्चे मिले यहाँ पे. Hi everyone. Hi. Which school? ये कौन सा village है? Spituk village from Leh Ladakh, and they're keen to learn dance. So इन्होंने कहा कि dance सिखाओ. Okay, dance is like चलो करो ऐसे करो. Okay, ये easy वाला step करो, easy वाला. Yeah. अच्छा ये वाला करो ऐसे. एक लाख उठा के. Very good. Do it. अच्छा ये हिप हॉप वाला करो. हनी सिंह. So anyways, I love kids. Thank you very much, kids. Bye. So this was the top of the Kali temple, Spituk village, and kids from Spituk. Bye. This is a Sangam place in Leh Ladakh. The point's name is Sangam, where two rivers called Zanskar River and one is Indus River joins at one place. So that's why it is Sangam. From there, another river, Indus, and from there, it's Zanskar River. They joins at here, and that's why it's Sangam. Leh Ladakh, Sangam. And there are a lot of water sports is being organized by Indus Himalayan explorers. Now we are at Patthar Sahib Gurdwara in Leh Ladakh, outside Leh. So I had Gurdwara Darshan just before making this video. This is the view of Patthar Sahib Gurdwara. So I'm feeling hungry now. I'm going downwards over there. Langar chakne ke liye. I hope you are enjoying my video. Bye. I'm here in Sindhu Ghati, Leh Ladakh. After 2-3 days, I'm on 24th of June. यहाँ पे सिंधु फेस्टिवल शुरू होने वाला है. It's a great view. So it's Sindhu Ghati, Leh Ladakh. You can see the scenic beauty, the beautiful, amazing view of Sindhu Ghati, Leh Ladakh. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye. Now we are in a Rancho school, the school from Three Idiots movie. It's Rancho Das movie shooting place. It's a school behind me, the cafe, the school. Or you can see the view over here. It's in Leh Ladakh. Rancho Das canteen over here. See? And this is the school. Bye everyone. This is Leh and अभी हम हैं थिक से मोनेस्ट्री में और ये पीछे मोनेस्ट्री में आपको दिखाऊंगा. This is a view. Leh Ladakh. It's great. It's freezing. Really cool. Let me take you to the monastery. This is monastery and their photography is not allowed. And this is another view outside monastery. Thiksay monastery. So here is a complete view, Thiksay monastery behind me. And it's a huge landscape, scenic view. Thank you. Bye. Now I'm going to Shanti Stupa, the last point of my tour. Abhi we are at behind of SSP Leh Ladakh J&K police. You can see the police there. Because of that police, we could easily make out our way to Shanti Stupa. Now I am taking you to the most devotional place in Leh Ladakh, that is Shanti Stupa. It is actually famous and popular for its sunset view. That's Shanti Stupa, and behind is SSP Leh Ladakh police coming up. And that's the view behind, front of Shanti Stupa. That's a Leh city. So finally I have reached Shanti Stupa, Leh Ladakh. It's a very devotional place, a peaceful place. Bye. Here my city tour in and around of Leh Ladakh is complete at this Shanti Stupa over here. And thank you very much. Hope you like this video. Tomorrow I am going to cover another area of Leh Ladakh, another site, that is Nubra Valley, Khardungla, Pangong and Dharchala, something like that. That's a 2-day trip, and I'll keep on updating you about Leh Ladakh tour. Thank you. Bye. This is your friend Samir Mahajan from Rockstar. Right now I'm at Leh Ladakh, heading to Khardungla. This is one of the achievement that if you can survive at the highest altitude in the world, which is Khardungla, 40 kilometers away from Leh Ladakh. Still, there are 15 kilometers away. Look at the view, scenic view. Ooh. So finally I am reached Khardungla Pass, 18,380 feet. It's the highest motorable road in the world. You can see the board over there. Yes. So that's Khardungla Pass. Now we are heading to Nubra Valley. You can see the view over here. So here you can see a lot of ice, and those are mountains. Here, like, recently became my friend Ketan from Delhi, and one more friend is there. So it is Khardungla Pass. हमारे चारों तरफ स्नो ही स्नो है ना, all around snow. Hi guys. So finally I have reached Dixit Monastery. It is in Leh Ladakh, and it's a long drive of 150 kilometers followed by Khardunga, and it's a monastery. I'm taking you to the monastery. So finally I'm reached. Here it is, Dixit Monastery. Behind me there's a Lord Buddha statue, a huge statue, and this is the view behind me. We are at Nubra Valley and Dixit Monastery. Hi, welcome back. And right now I'm in Hundar, Leh Ladakh, Nubra Valley, and this is a place popular for sand dunes like Rajasthan and or Dubai. And in the mid of this snowy mountains, you can find out the sand dunes over here. See, look at me behind me. And another popular thing about this tourist point is you can find two-hump camel over here. So rarest camels which has two humps together. So it's a camel ride you can enjoy over here. There is a little lake also, small river. So this is the lake behind me over here, from here till there. Beautiful mountain followed by sand dunes. So this is Hundar in Nubra Valley, 150 kilometers away from Leh Ladakh, followed by Khardungla and Dixit Monastery. Thank you. Bye. Here's the camels, and camel ride starts at 3 o'clock. It's already 3:15 in Hundar, Nubra Valley, Ladakh. Special rare camels with two humps. See, look at here, two humps together. Great, two humps. Hope you would enjoy watching them. Great. It is a different experience actually. Whenever you come to Leh Ladakh, do visit this place, Hundar. Bye. Finally, I got a room in Hundar, Nubra Valley. This is my hotel, and there are a lot of foreigners staying over here, and this is the view behind it. See, and this is a little garden for party and shadi. So I'm gonna stay over here, and tomorrow we'll be heading for Pangong by Shao River, and then Changla, then back to Leh. Thank you. Bye. Hi. Today I'm heading to Pangong Lake. So yesterday I was with my friends in Nubra Valley. So today is my another day for Pangong. And this is on the way, scenic beauty on the road, Pangong. You can see the river, different color mountains over there, and see sand dunes kind of mountains over here, rock mountains here, and this is pebble kind of stuff mountains here, and that is black sand mountain there, and that's the river. You could hear the voice of river. So this is the route to Pangong via Shao River, and there we'll be staying for 2-3 hours. Then we'll be heading to Leh via Changla. So this whole Leh Ladakh, and especially Kashmir, the whole J&K state, is highly 99% maintained by Indian Army. Salute to Indian Army. All the roads, everything, it's totally maintained by Indian Army. Whenever you come to Leh Ladakh or J&K, you would see lot of army base camps, lot of military bases over here. So thanks again to our Indian Army to maintaining this scenic, beautiful beauty. Catch you later. Shauk River. Good. Right now I'm at Durbuk, 1 hour away from Pangong Lake. So this is a checkpoint for the permissions for the tourist, and here we are on a break. पैंगोंग रोड पे दुबुर्क जगह पे, और यहाँ पे मोमोज स्पेशली बन रहे हैं। आंटी जी के हाथ के मोमोज, मैगी खाया तो मैंने भी मोमोज बनते देखा यहाँ पे कैसे बन रहा है इधर इधर, तो मैं सीख गया हूँ। तो अभी मैं मोमो बनाना ट्राई करूँगा। लाइव मोमो मेकिंग, So finally I'm trying to make with momos. ऐसे लिया, मैं फुल भर के बनाऊंगा।
अरे अच्छा बना। हाँ
अच्छा बनाएगा, खाने को तो नहीं मिलेगा।
चक्कर डाला क्या? नहीं डाला,
शक्कर नहीं डाला है।
चाय का लिखा
ये देखो,
No, that's not the
वो
folding.
मोमोज बनाते हैं वो।
ये देखिए, ये
नहीं।
देखिए,
You click mine, you do mine.
ये मेरा बड़ा है। मोमोज
कितना टाइम लगेगा? थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा।
बन गया मोमोज।
अरे वाह, वेरी गुड अली, you have won the prize
Thank
and
you,
you are
thank you.
selected.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
चालू कर लो।
Yeah.
Now I'm reached to my another destination in Leh Ladakh. It's Pangong Lake behind me, Pangong Lake, and that's a view around Pangong Lake. These are my fellows of the car. Let me take you to the lake. It's bluish, yellowish, greenish, brownish mix, but mostly it is blue over here. Let me take you to the Pangong Lake, Ladakh. So it's a great view over here. You can see the Pangong Lake. Look at the view over there. There. It's a place, it's a heaven. And our movies also got shooted here. Three Idiots, Funsuk Wangdu, Amir Khan movie, Ranchod Das. Hope you remember. So this is the place. You can see the bluish, clear water. Heaven. Do come, whenever you come to Ladakh, do come to Pangong Lake. It is almost 150 kilometers away from Nubra Valley. Bye bye. Happy in this Pangong Lake, not because of the view only, obviously because of the view, but I have got a chance to have a click, one picture, not even one, two, three pictures with the monks, the young monks, and they are very cooperative. And you can see in my picture gallery. I would definitely add it in this video. Two postures, the monk postures, and one the hip hop postures. As you know, I'm a choreographer. Thank you very much. It feels great. Hi guys. Now I'm reached to Changla Pass. It's on 17,688 feet height, and you can see the view. It's 90 kilometer. It's almost 70 kilometers away from Pangong Lake. We are heading to Leh Ladakh city. Back. Changla Pass. Great view. Hi, welcome back. I'm very happy that I completed my Leh Ladakh complete tour in 5 days. So I'm so happy, and I'm back to my favorite restaurant, that is Bon Appetit. It is my friend John, my friend. He's my John friend. Bon Appetit. Whenever you come over here, do come here. And it's on Fort Road. Bon Appetit, John. Thank you. So I'm very happy. My trip was complete. I'm surely, I know that you're gonna like this video. Thank you very much. On the way to Pangong, here behind me you can see the mountains of snow.